Welcome to Shortview Trading. This is your morning market hit for Monday the 23rd of March. What matters today and this week for traders? Markets are clearly disappointed about the inability of US policymakers to agree a fiscal package over the weekend. And reflecting that, we're seeing notable downside in many markets across the globe in Asian trading hours into European hours this morning. In some ways, there are some parallels with what happened in October 2008. At that time, you'll recall, TARP was initially rejected in its first reading on the Hill. Markets then moved lower, and then at a second reading, it passed. Importantly, though, negotiations remain ongoing on Monday, and hopefully there'll be some sort of conclusion on a fiscal package out of the United States. Over and above that, there are also concerns about a re-acceleration or an acceleration of cases in certain other countries across the globe. In Singapore, where initially things seemed under control, cases have picked up in the last couple of days. The same can be said of Thailand, and indeed now India is featuring in people's concerns. Over and above that, in Spain and Italy, the situation continues to deteriorate in terms of the virus. Added to which, stress remains in many parts of the global financial markets, indeed the majority of them. Muni bond spreads we're showing you now continue to widen on Friday. LIBOR OIS spreads again also widened on Friday. While finally leveraged loan prices made a new low also last week. So despite what the Fed is up to and other central banks across the globe, it's not clear yet they've got control of the stress in the system. Policy is coming thick and fast though, so at some stage soon we would expect that to happen. On an encouraging note, certain asset prices seem to be finding a floor. Oil and some of the key European equity indices, for example. For full details, please see today's Daily Rag available on the website and to subscribers. So what are we watching today? Well, clearly the progress of the US fiscal bill up on the Hill in Washington is utterly critical. We would expect more progress to be made throughout the course of Monday, and hopefully a deal signed or at least agreed in principle. Elsewhere, we'll be watching the stress in financial markets. Throughout this week, we'll watch for more policy actions from policymakers, and some of the macro data is starting to get interesting. Flash PMIs are key and give us an insight into March across the globe. Equally, jobless claims on Thursday in the US will be watched closely and are of key interest. There's an expectation they may go up between 1.3 and 2 million. That, of course, reflects the way economic activity has been shut down to a large extent. That was your morning market hit for Monday, 23rd of March. Thank you for listening. Please do subscribe on YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter and or Facebook. Thank you very much and stay safe.